Welcome to this Inno Plus presentation. This presentation is instruction on the commissioning and maintenance of Polo, Porkus and Compo air scrubber systems produced by Inno Plus. Commissioning. The aim is to test and adjust the installation, set up and start use, train the user, and to hand over the finished product to the client. Calibrate sensors. pH 3.07 and pH 7 test fluids are required. Access the pH settings in the Inno EcoTrans pH 3 controller and run a 2-point calibration program. This will require Inno code 110. Further information is available in the service handbook. During this, you will be required to immerse the electrode in the calibration fluid. Ensure you clean the electrode between different fluids. Confirm the conductivity sensor. Place the conductivity sensor in 140 millisiemens per centimetre test fluid and confirm the reading. Other fluids may be used. Do not lose the rubber. Calibrate the flow meter. With the system running, press and hold button S2 until the display flashes. This tells the flow meter that it is currently running at 100%. Set S.1. Do this by pressing S1 and then using the two buttons as arrows to select value 4. Then set Set.2 to value 7 in the same way. Take care not to cross the two set points on the screen. This is not required on the DLG flow meter. For further support, please contact us.